Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a form in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log into my Squarespace account. Fill in your email address and password here. Now click on this website button below the website you want to add a form on. Go to Pages. From this list, select the page you want to add your form on. Let's add it on this home page. And to go into the editing mode, you need to click on this edit button from the top. As you see, now I can select elements on my page. Let's delete this text. Same thing with this text. Make these photos here, and to add a form in this place, make sure that your section is selected in order to see this add block button. Click on it, look for form, click on form, and this is your form. To edit your form, just select it and hit this edit button. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Under the Content tab, you can edit the form name, the Submit button text, and also the form fields by reordering them like that, or deleting one if it is not necessary. To edit a form field, click on it. You can edit the label. As you can see, the label was instantly modified. Same thing with the form description. It's this little title above the form. You can also edit the placeholder text here. It's shown here. You can make a form required or not. You can also enable email sign up from this form, allowing form submitters to sign up for your marketing emails. Subscribers will be automatically stored in contacts. You can verify their emails or not. To delete this form, click on this delete, and you can also duplicate your form field from here. To add a new form field, click on add field. Select your field type. Let's go with a drop down. Click on the form field again, give it a description, a label. You can select option here, fill in your drop down, drop one for example. You can make it required or not. And to view your form live for test purposes, for example, make sure to save your work. After that, click on exit and click on this little arrow on this corner. Now you're in the preview mode and you can test your form. This is my drop down menu I added. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.